In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Steam account. If you've decided to leave the platform or tidy up old accounts, I'll show you exactly where the option lives inside Steam and share a few key tips so nothing catches you off guard. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent once completed. Your game library, DLC, inventory items, friends list, achievements, badges, community posts, and any remaining wallet funds are removed with the account. This is different from simply uninstalling Steam or signing out. If you're unsure, pause and review what's tied to the account you're about to remove and make sure you're signed in to the correct one on the device you're using. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer or sign in through the Steam website. In the upper right corner, click your profile. That's your avatar or your account name. Clicking it opens a small drop-down with options related to your account. If you don't see it, maximize the window or check that you're on the main store, library, or community view, where the profile menu is always available in the header. From that profile menu, click Account Details. This takes you to your account overview page, where you can see purchase history, contact info, and security settings. Take a second to look over what's here. If you have active subscriptions, pending refunds, or recent purchases, keep in mind that deleting your account will affect all of that activity. When you're ready to proceed, stay on this page. The option we need is located a little further down. Now scroll down the account details page and click Delete My Steam Account. The link typically appears toward the bottom under sections related to account management. When you select it, Steam will explain what deletion involves and will guide you through the request. Read the information carefully, then follow the prompts to confirm that you want to start the process. Steam may ask you to verify ownership and provide some details to protect your account. After you submit the request, there is usually a waiting period during which the account is locked and you can change your mind. If you don't cancel during that window, the deletion completes and cannot be reversed. That's it. Click your profile, choose account details, then scroll and select Delete My Steam Account to begin the process.